Alright guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something with PowerHobby. The big thing right now is to take your Yoda axles off your RC4 wheel drive, TF2, whatever body you got on it, is to take these axles and is to upgrade them. There's no problems with these, and to upgrade them, the cheapest way to upgrade them, the next step is where you want to go on the axle food chain would be a set of axial AR44 axles. Here's a rear axle. It's a plastic housing, but you see I equipped it with a brass other sides, and PowerHobby sent us leaf mounts so we can use this axle not as it's intended, but on a leafed chassis. So check those leaf mounts out. They're made out of brass as well. They work great, by the way. So I prepped everything. And by prepped everything, I just took the little red bits that hold the linkages off these axles, and I equipped the PowerHobby leaf mounts. See those? Beautiful. The front one looks even better. Look at that front one. There's those nice leaf mounts. Brass on the outside. You see I redid all the bearings. Fast eddy bearings. Sealed up. So these are brand new. Ready to go. Everything's new in them. But still plastic housings. But you have all the weight because you have your added brass. Your outer, your inner, your C-hub. And now you have brass right in the center where you want it the most, where your leaf suspension is going to articulate. So I got the rear removed already. I just got it sitting on a couple rolls of tape. When you take it apart, see there's not much to a leaf truck when you take the axle off the back, right? See those holes in the bottom? So we'll just throw this together right here on camera, guys. And yeah. And we're going to upgrade our screws when we put these leaves in, because normally they have little 2mm screws, but we're going to upgrade to like a box head 2.5mm screw, but or a 3M screw. It's a much better screw, larger head on it, and it won't strip out on you. So the first thing you have to do is you have to remove your axle. So once you remove your axle, then you're like, well, okay, I got to put my new axle on. So you take your new AR44, however you have it kitted out, right. Alright, so you get your leaf perches ready, your leaf adapters from PowerHobby. You can get them for any type of axle too. It doesn't have to be for an AR44 style axle. I have leaf mounts here from them for your BB version 5 chassis, for AR44 axles. I mean, you name it, they got it. They got leaf purchase for Vanquish axles, axles, you name it. They got purchase for it. So the easiest way I find to put the axle on the back is to just put one screw in, because there's 3 layers of leaves usually that I usually run, especially when I'm running a red soft leaf. I'll run a medium helper and a medium long, when I say medium I mean the middle, and when I say medium I mean firmness for leaves. And these are both helpers. They help the larger leaf. So this is a medium helper, and this is the smallest helper, but it's the weakest. It would be a soft, or whatever you call it. So they kind of give you a little bit of a problem every once in a while. So if you see me struggling, that's why. Struggle bus is real. once you get that first one started. See how I had the screw started already, so I don't have to worry about it not fitting. Everything not going in correctly. A screw stripping or whatever. It makes it easier to do the install right now. Now you want to do these up firm, so they're not going to fall out. But you don't want to strip them or over tighten them and break it. And then you just flip to the other side. So I'll get this back one done up and I'll bring you back whenever I got the front one finished. Alright, we're back here. Sorry for the delay. And it's the same process as it was from the back to the front. And when I get it installed, I'll bring these back. Give it a shot. Alright, I got the front one in. That's what it looks like. Back one's all in. Drive shafts are in. Shocks are on. How does it look from the front? Pretty good. So, like and subscribe. AR44 is on your TF2. It's that easy.